Alhamdulillah, the best bit of this whole day was seeing the prospective Hajjaj and the smiles on their faces, their emotions and their excitement for what's to come for them, the greatest journey of their lifetime. And to be the ones to facilitate that is a huge blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
And just connecting with Quran, but like with Ramadan, if we prepare for it beforehand, start reading from now, it make our journey a lot more fruitful, inshallah.
The main take from the event was obviously meeting the brothers that we're going to be travelling with, and if it wasn't for this event today, we wouldn't have met each other.
Events like this, I think, also increase the awareness of the importance of Hajj and Umrah. I personally understood how important it is and how big of a journey this will be, inshallah ta'ala.
Raise your hands and make dua. In what language? In your own language. Allah understands it. If there are certain du'ās memorized, say them. If not, speak to Allah.
Amazing day, mashallah. Beautiful to see everybody, all the other Hujjaj, 100 of us here today. Had the opportunity to meet each other, to speak with the sheikhs and our spiritual guide, the entire GLM team.
Today I have attended the Green Lane Masjid seminar about Hajj. MashaAllah, it was really organised and everything was amazing. I've learnt so much from everything to the explanations, to the sheikhs explaining the logistics, the fit. Everything has been super well organised.